I got a 2016 Dodge Ram stock. I did 0 to 60 times the other day. I'll post them up there in a few seconds. I think the best one was 6.9 seconds, 0 to 60 mile an hour. And I am going to put a Dodge Ram cold air intake. Should take me about an hour, hopefully less. But anyway, I'll post some pictures in a few minutes. Pretty simple. Take that sensor out, make sure you put it back the same way you got it out. You might have to ream the hole on the new intake slightly bigger so it goes in well. Take that clamp off, take this clamp off, take the hose off, take that bolt off, take this bolt so you can move it up, and then this should just pop out. Alright. Don't forget to take the mounting rubbers, just 4 of them, and I installed them on the new one. I'm just gonna drill out the hole on the intake here. 13 mil drill. Just go in here and go back and forth and go try it. And it should fix snug, but you do need to drill out a little bit bigger because you might break your sensor if you force it in there. Now she's all in. Didn't take long. Alright. I'll do 0 to 60 times shortly. Hopefully there's improvement. So there you go. That's 0.4 of a second faster. That's pretty good for a cold air intake. I'd like to thank Connell Chrysler from Nova Scotia. Give me a good deal on the intake. And if you like the video, click on the thumbs up below. If you don't like the video, you can press thumbs up also. Deuces, guys.